Hi guys, it's Miss Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 1, Lessons 29 and 31. In this lesson, we're talking about being able to solve subtraction math stories. Now, in my previous video, I talked about and I showed how to solve a subtraction math story. In this video, I really wanted to talk about in a subtraction number sentence the actual part of a number sentence for subtraction, because sometimes it can be a little difficult, especially whenever we're doing addition and subtraction. It might be a little difficult of what's the parts and what's the whole. Okay, so that's what I really want to focus on this video, to where I can help us out on that, on our math stories, on those word problems. Okay, so let's look at this. 6 minus 3 equals blank. Now remember I told you that the whole is happy whenever it's in front of the minus sign. So let's see what number is in front of the minus sign. That's 6. 6 is our whole. Now 3 is one of our parts. So we had 6, took away 3, and then we have to figure out how many there is. Okay, so with this, we can actually count backwards to figure this out. Okay, now, so we can count backwards. So we put 6 in our brain. Now it comes before 6. We know 5, then 4, then 3. Now 9 minus 4. Now we know that the whole has to be in front of that minus sign. So I'm circling my whole, putting a W. And this 4 is our part. So we have to count backwards 4 times. So now it's 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Now, looking at this one, we have our whole that is missing, because look, it's blank minus 4 equals 6. This is our whole that is missing. This is a part and this is a part. Now this one's pretty challenging. We will not have any like this. Okay, but this is just kind of like a little challenge. Now this, when we actually would just add, we would add these two parts together. So we would add 4, and then we would add 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we would count them all together. We know it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is our answer. Now this next one, 8 minus 5 equals blank. We know 8 is in front of the minus sign, so we know that has to be our whole. 5 is our part. Then we have a missing part. So 8, and we're going to count down 5. So 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 is our missing part. So let's look at this one. 7 minus 4 equals blank. We know that 7 is in front of the minus sign, so that's our whole. So 7 minus 4, let's count back. Put 7 in our brain, so 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So 7 minus 4 equals 3. Now let's look at this last one. Blank minus 5 equals 2. Well, we don't never know what number is in front of the minus sign, but we know it's our whole, and they give us our two parts. So that means we can draw our picture. We can draw 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then add 2. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is our whole. And again, that's just a challenge, because we will not be doing any like that for now, at least. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.